one more thing that helps save us from the fire is the very last night of Ramadan, which we in our part of the world call Chand Raat, right? And what's Chand Raat associated with? Shopping, mehndi, party, right? Like Chand Raat to us is like, Nauzubillah, some of us even say that, ab to hum azad ho gaye, qaid mein the. Allah maaf kare. So, but in reality of it is that this night is called Laylatul Jaizah. It's a night of extreme forgiveness. Extreme forgiveness. As many people that have been forgiven throughout the month of Ramadan alone are forgiven on this night. So a person who has done nothing throughout the month of Ramadan, and if he corrects those things which are the 4 things that we said, which hold one from benefiting from this month of Ramadan, if he corrects those 4 things, and or if he is not one of them, and he now comes towards Allah, Allah will forgive him on this very night as well. And the one who has done everything all throughout the night, Ramadan, still should make some extra effort on this night to not be deprived of additional benefits that are to come, because this is the month, this is the night of forgiveness. So we need to, what did we say? Ku anfusakum wa ahlikum. So not ourselves, but also our family members. We need to let them know that this is Laylatul Jaizah. This is a precious night. Let's not spend it in partying and shopping and do the worldly needs. Yes, fulfill them, but make an effort this night as well. This is the night of forgiveness. This is the night of acceptance of prayers. This is the night of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala being kind towards his servant. This is the night where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala thinks that my abd has done an effort, has put in an effort, has mazdoor ko mazdoori dene ka waqt. And the 10th thing, if I have still got the count right, is Eid itself. Eid itself. A person who has done very little in the month of Ramadan still can be hopeful from Allah to be forgiven on the day of Eid itself. It says in the Hadeeth that when it is on the day of Eid in the morning, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands the angels that they should go and spread in the streets, in the pathways where the people would be going towards the masjid. And they start calling people towards Jannah with voices that, except from jinn and human, all the other creation can hear. They call out that, O Ummah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, walk towards the place of Allah, who is extremely generous and who forgives a fault no matter how big it is. And when people set out towards the Eidgah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asks the angels, knowing very well the answer himself, he asks the angels that what should be the reward for the worker who has fulfilled his task. So the angel says that, Ya Allah, that worker should be paid his compensation in full. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that I hold you witness, O angels, that for the efforts made in Ramadan, in fasting and in Taraweeh, I have given these people my maghfirat and my rada. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala addresses the people. He says, O my people, that I swear upon my honor and my magnificence, that in this gathering, whatever you need to ask me with regards to akhirah, I will fulfill that. And whatever you ask me with regards to this dunya, I will consider that. So praying Eid Salah is also a major source of forgiveness. We should also put in the effort to go and pray the Eid Salah.